alaikum guys and welcome back to the channel. Last video was about to the PHP sorting arrays functions and we covered up all sorting functions that how we sort the arrays. So today our agenda is about to the PHP regular expressions. What are the regular expression and why we need this? First of all, need to be understand that what is a regular expression. First of all, let me write the topic for today. Okay, regular expressions. Basically, a regular expression is you say a sequence of characters, okay, that form the search pattern. Often you search for the data in a text and you can use this search pattern to describe that what you are searching for actually. So a regular expression can be a single character or more complicated patterns as well. Okay, you can use to perform all type of text search and text replacement options. So PHP provides a regular expression that we use the regular expression to find a text. Okay, so PHP actually provides a variety of functions, okay, that actually allows us to use regular expression. Okay, we have the various functions in PHP. So we need, I'm just writing that is called the break. I need to first of all declare the PHP, then we will proper work on it. Okay, so once I have created this one, now then PHP actually, yes, as you see, PHP offerings various type of break functions. Okay, you can match, okay, you can quote, you can replace, okay, this one, this is actually the match works. Okay, this is the match function which we are using to search a text, okay, to search text in a pattern or like so. Okay, we have the preg match function, we have the preg match all functions, and we have the preg replace as well. So how the preg match works, actually if it founds, okay, search pattern, it will returns one if the pattern was found in the string, and in case if the pattern was not found, it is returns zero. So we need to be understand this one, that how we use this in PHP. So as I declared the PHP here one, what I need to do, I'm just taking a variable that is called str. So once I have taken this variable, now what I need to do, I'm just saying that visit, let's say, what I need to visit, that is called youtube.com. Okay, let's say I have this one, YouTube. Okay, I have created this one, that I, this is my given string, and then I'm also saving a pattern, okay, in which pattern I want to search. So after taking a pattern, what I need to do, pattern, let's say I am saying that I need this one, uh, YouTube. Okay, and then I'm saying, let's say I'm taking any variable, let's say I'm taking W. Okay, in this pattern I want to search. So once I have created this one, then in echo here I need to add the echo statement. So once I add this echo function, then what I'm saying here, the pattern, as I have taken a variable, so I need to keep the dollar sign as well, and same like my subject here is my string. Okay, dollar str, which I have taken, and then here I need to give the semicolon and then end this section. And if it finds the pattern in this one, it will actually returns one, and in case if it doesn't match, it will return zero. So let's move and go back in the browser and refresh the browser, and let's see what type of result it is displaying. It is replacing the echo, is returning an error. So we need to be understand that why on line 4 there is an error. Okay, let me go back and need to be checked at what type of error is coming. Okay, so I think so that here we need to be, what's the problem? Maybe codes error. Need to be checked at what type of error is present. Might be the error will resolve or no. Let me to check. Okay. No, still the error. It's saying echo. Why it is returning an error? Okay. Actually, here we do not need to do this one. It is some. Oh, sorry. I forgot to put semicolon here. That's why it is returning an error because we have not end this line. Now I ended successfully. I need to go back in my browser and need to be refreshed. Hope so the issue will resolve. A preg match, unknown modifiers. Okay. Why this is returning unknown modifiers need to be checked. Unknown modifier. Okay. Then I said what that is this one, then five pattern. Okay. Uh, sorry, sorry. Here I do not need to give this one. I need to give this I, and the reason I will tell you later why I am using this I. Okay. Now need to go back in the browser and need to be refreshed this time. Hope so the issue will resolve. Yes. Now it is returning one. One means that it finds pattern successfully in the given string. The string I have taken, it finds the and it matches the pattern successfully. As you see, this string contain YouTube and also this pattern contain YouTube. So once it matches, it is returning that yes, I found it successfully. Okay, so this is how you are working with a preg match function. Okay, same like you can use the preg match all. Okay, and how we are using this one, we need to be understand. Let's say here instead of this string I need to take sorry, not this one. Okay, here in first str, the variable which I have taken, what I'm saying that it is raining, it is raining in UK. Let's say I have taken this. It is raining in UK. So what I need to do, okay, I'm searching some patterns. Patterns means some words, okay. So how I'm searching this one now, see and understand. Let's say I'm searching that UK, okay. Is it present in the given string or not? Then let's say I'm searching is pattern, okay. If it is present, it will return, okay. And here one, what I need to do here, instead of like I'm just saying all. That's it. So once I did this one, now it will also return one. Okay. It will return one because string matches successfully. I need to escape this one. Okay. As you see, my answer is still same. I refresh, but answer is still same. Why? Because it matches successfully. Okay. Our string is present. Okay. As I said, search for this pattern. Is UK is present in this given string? Yes. Is present in the string? Yes. Now let's say I'm just changing and I'm saying just search just search he. Is it present in the string or not? We'll see what it will return it to me. I need to go back in my browser and I need to be checked that will it return. Yes. Preg match, no ending denominator. Okay. Sorry, there is one error coming. I think I forgot to close. Sorry. Here I think so it will not come. Now need to go back something. Will my issue will be resolved or no? Warning press all must be alphanumeric or backslash. Okay. I'm doing a mistake. I think so. Okay. So once I have I'm saying that so it is one. Let's say need to be let's say K. Will it will work or not? We need to be understand. Okay, let's go back in the browser and we'll see. Also, the issue will be resolved. No ending delimiter found. Why it is returning this error? Along line 4. Okay. By the way, I will check this later that why it is returning this error. Okay. All things we did well. Okay, let's say need to check something else. Okay. Let's say I'm saying rain. It will see it will return something or not, or it will still returns an error or not. Okay, we need to be go back in the browser and this time I'm refreshing and this one is still saying that you have an error in your syntax. What type of error it is present? And what does it? Okay, okay. I think so. This one is the error. Okay, I didn't close this one. Now let's see. It will return something to me or not, or still the error appears. Yes, it is returning. Now the mistake, what I did, I forgot to close. I forgot to close this slash. That's why it is returning an error. Okay, same like if you are search now he, it will return false. False means zero because it is not found in the given string. Okay, need to be go back. Sorry. Yes, need to be go back in the browser and we'll see will it return something or no. Yes, it is returning zero and it is saying that the word he is not present in the given string. And what the mistake I did, I told you I forgot to add this ending slash. So that's why it is returning an error. Same like you can replace in the preg function. Also, you can replace all of the matches pattern in a string with another string using the preg replace function, but I'm not discussing this one. Okay, and okay, so this is how your pattern works. Okay, how you are searching in a pattern whether the pattern is present, whether the pattern is present in a string or not. Actually, here you can search anything. You can write a whole paragraph in the string and then check whether this word is present in this pattern or not. If it is present and if it matches the condition, it will return one. Otherwise, it will return zero. So, guys, this is all about the regular expression, that how you use the regular expression. We have three types. We have preg match, we have preg match all, and then we have preg replace. Okay, so preg replace is quite easy. You just need to take a string. Okay, then you need to search for a pattern in it and then replace. Use the replace and inside replace whatever you want. So you will replace successfully.